go. There'll be no value in the strength of walls that I have grown. There'll be no comfort in the shape of the shadows thrown. But I'd be yours, mine. Stretch out my life and pick the seams out. Take what you like, but close my ears and eyes, or watch me stumble over and over. I have done wrong, so build your tower, call me home, and I will build a throne, wash my eyes out. But love the one you hold, and I'll be your gold, to have and to hold. A lover of the night, skin too tight, and eyes like marbles, you spin me high. So watch me as I glide before I tumble homewards. I know I've tried, I watched no stable before my pride. I miss my sanguine eyes, so hold my heart out. Love the one you hold, and I'll be your gold, to have and to hold. A lover of the night. In the middle of the night, time may watch you go. There'll be no value in the strength of walls that I'll have grown. There'll be no comfort in the shade of the shadows thrown. You may not trust the promises of the change I'll show.